Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I have a really cute, simple tutorial. This is great for baby showers. You guys can really get creative with this and dress it up as pretty much as possible. But this is what it is. Look at this. It is a little baby Mary Jane. Oh my god, it's the lighting, I believe. Okay, look at that. Super cute, right? Super cute. Like I said, you can dress this up as much as you like. You could this was my first time doing it. I did it with tape, and I think I'm going to try it with some ribbon this time, like going around the edges. But this is simple. You can fill it with candy. You could give it away in little like party favors or whatever. You know, it's cute. I'm trying to get it where you guys can really see it. Like, my light is really messing with me. It's really cute. Really cute. Simple, easy. Yeah, my nails look terrible. Y'all, it's cute. I don't know what to say. And it's so tiny. Hey, honey. Okay, but if you guys do want the template, my template will be available on my Patreon page. I always give out templates as well as images, so it's only going to be over there. But let's go ahead and get into this craft. Okay, so this craft is like really simple. Only thing I did it with was some foam sheets, and like I said, I'm going to try to do it this time with some ribbon. So I have a little bit of ribbon. I have my template pieces right here, and I am pretty much just going to trace them onto the foam, cut them out, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I got all my pieces cut out. I have the bottom of the shoe, the strap, the inside of the shoe, and I also have this is pretty much going to be the top of the shoe. This is pretty much what it looks like. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to count and go to the third one. Right here on this third one is where you're going to put a little glue dot, and you're going to attach it to the shoe like that. And then once you do that, you're going to work your way pretty much all the way around the shoe. I would do it one at a time, putting glue dots on each one of these and taking it under and pretty much folding it one at a time. Let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can see, the shoe is starting to take shape, and all of your little things are going to pretty much go on the bottom. So you're just going to continue working your way all the way around the shoe. Alright, as you can see, I am pretty much almost done. That is what it's looking like. That is the bottom. Can you see the edges that are about to meet up? Alright, I want to go ahead and do the rest of these little ones on camera so that you guys can see. Just a little bit of glue, and I pretty much just fold it over, line it up, fold it over, and hold it in place for a little bit, and then pretty much you got your shoe. I'm gonna put a little bit on this edge piece so that it can stay in place. Y'all, I actually purchased this template. Y'all know I usually don't purchase anything, but I actually purchased this template because it was just too cute. Y'all, it was too adorable. And the template looks a little rinky dink, but I mean, you can still tell what it's supposed to do, I guess. I don't know. I probably should have shopped around a little bit. But, you know, it serves its purpose, I guess. Put a little bit of glue also on the little edge piece, and then just stick that thing on down. And this is pretty much what you got. You got your shoe already done right there. Bam. Now you're going to take the bottom of your shoe, and you're pretty much just going to stick this right on top to cover up, you know, all of that. So I don't really think it matters where you start from, the front or the back. Let's see. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and start in the front, I guess. Shoot, right? I don't know. Like I said, this is only my second time doing this, so I am still learning, I guess, what to do, what not to do, that sort of thing. That's why most people that do these, they I noticed that they covered them in like ribbon tape to get rid of that line right there, so that it disappears and you don't see it. It's not bad, but you definitely don't want that thing showing. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it all on. Shoot. Right? I mean, what's the worst can happen? Alright, so it is now all glued on there. I guess as best as it's gonna get. I do want to trim off some of this excess shoe, I guess. That is my husband. He's upstairs playing his game. Okay. So this is pretty much what it's looking like. This is what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap on here. Here's the strap. Which way does this go? Like that. Oh, look at that. Super cute, super adorable. I'm just gonna go ahead and pretty much this side that has a line on it, I just go ahead and glue it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that, and yeah, I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I pretty much gotta improvise. I cannot find my lighter, and the ribbon is just unraveling like crazy. So I'm gonna have to just go along with these beads and just hope that it looks right and it camouflages, I guess, to where you can't see anything. Ugh, so tacky. I'm so upset right now, but you know, I'm gonna make the best of it, I guess. Okay, one more thing I want to let you guys know before I go really quickly. If you do crafts, you do templates, you have images, files, anything like that, please make sure that you save them elsewhere besides your computer, laptop, tablet, whatever you might be using. Make sure you save them somewhere else, because about a week ago, I woke up, you know, spent about an hour doing what I was doing, came back to get on my laptop to do my work, and my laptop was gone. It was dead. It was just dead, y'all. It was the saddest funeral I had ever been to. I went through every emotion you could possibly think of. I think I even made up a few new emotions. Like, that's how upset and distraught I was, you guys. My husband even tried to save the hard drive. There was just, it was nothing. So all of my templates, all of my measurements, all of my images, all of my files, everything is gone. I have nothing. So those of you that have been asking for measurements and everything, I'm in the same boat you're in. I have no idea. I have to pretty much do all that all over again. And then I bought me a laptop, just trying to hurry up and really quickly get something to restart. I bought a Chromebook. It didn't work. I had to take it right back. I mean, it worked, but on the Chromebook, it didn't have Windows, so I couldn't have Publisher. So I had to take that back. And then the second laptop that I got, trying to be cheap, second laptop I got, within saving, I think, like 20 pub files, it was full. So I didn't take that one back. I just ended up giving that one to my daughter to play her games and all of that. So I ended up going back to Walmart, actually just buying the original laptop that I had, because it was a great laptop. I really think one of my kids spilled some liquid in it, and they just didn't tell me because they were scared. But please just be sure to save your files elsewhere, you know, because you never know what can happen just unexpectedly. Your stuff is gone and it's like, what the freak. So please be sure to save all your stuff. These came out super, super, super cute. I am loving them. Like I said, all templates and measurements will be on my Patreon page only. So if you want to get those, hop on over to there. But as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye. Okay, so this is pretty much how this one turned out. As you can see, it does cover all of the edges. You cannot see anything pretty much. Like, it looks really good. That's what that one looks like. Super cute. That's this one. So really cute.